I built an app using AI, no code, just prompts, and I got lied to 5 times. And the reason why is something nobody's talking about. Vibe coding is everywhere right now. The pitch is simple. Describe what you want, AI builds it, you ship. No CS degree, no Stack Overflow, just vibes. I tried it myself. I used Antigravity to build a mobile app. The app had one core feature, block chosen social media apps at the OS level. And it didn't work out as planned, and it changed how I think about AI. So I'm prompting, describing the feature, watching AI generate code. It felt right. I tested it, the app blocking didn't work. I go back to ask for a fix. It says, I found the issue, this should fix it. It didn't. So I try again, different wording, and guess the output. It didn't fix anything. 5 times it told me the problem was solved. Each time totally confident, zero hesitation, and each time nothing changed. So what was actually happening? Was the AI broken? Well, here's where things get interesting. The root cause wasn't AI, it was me. I didn't understand how OS level app blocking actually works, so when the AI gave me a solution, I had no way to evaluate it. The problem is, I couldn't guide it. The AI isn't a thinker, it's a translator. It takes what you understand and translates it into code. But if you don't understand the thing you're building, you're not directing it. You're just throwing prompts and praying. And AI is very good at being a yes man when it's completely wrong. The AI wasn't lying on purpose. It genuinely couldn't tell if it was wrong, because I never gave it the information it needed to be right. The gap wasn't AI, the gap was my understanding in the topic. If AI is a translator, you should be the engineer who guides AI. So I built a simple rule for myself and I want to share it with you. Before I prompt AI for anything technical, I answer these 3 questions. 1. What is the approach to solve this? Not code, the approach, the strategy. How does this problem actually get solved? 2. What are the components involved? What systems are in play? What layers does this touch? 3. What do I need AI to translate for me? Once I know the approach and the components, AI becomes powerful, because I'm now giving it direction. And here's the thing nobody tells you about vibe coding. The people who get results from it aren't the people who know nothing, they're the people who know how to direct AI. I'm not anti-AI, I use it every single day. But there's a version of this conversation that's getting dangerous. The version that says you don't need to understand anything anymore, just prompt, just vibe, just ship, and that's fine until you hit a real problem. Until, for example, the OS won't cooperate, until the AI tells you issue fixed for the 5th time and nothing works. That's when understanding becomes the only thing that saves you. AI is the most powerful tool we've ever had, but a tool still needs someone who can guide it. That someone has to be you. If this changes how you think about AI, drop a comment, I read them all. And if you're building something with AI right now and want to do it properly, subscribe, because this conversation is just getting started.